So for this morning's hike, I'm in Codorus State Park. I'm off Bankard Road. I've been doing the mountain bike trails, and this is very close park to my house. It's only 5 minutes away, so if I can't get out for a longer hike, I usually just resort to the Codorus. So here's a view along Lake Marburg, down here by the water. There's a duck blind up here for when the duck hunters hunt. Here's a small little cove. Looks like there's a turtle dock right there. I don't know if you can see it. My dog just found this deer bone. Good find, Lucy. Good find. Good dog. Here's more of that deer carcass. Maybe we'll find a shed. That's what I was hoping for today. Here's another duck blind. In the distance, you can see the first bridge crossing over into Codorus. Over there. So here's a turtle dock. Turtles are ectothermic, or as they once called, cold-blooded. So they can't regulate their body temperature, they need the sun. So they have these out in a couple of spots in Codorus for the turtles to bask and absorb that sun for metabolic purposes. So what I really like about this hike is there's an old meeting house or church from 1841. I've shown it in another video, but it's just cool. We have this history back here like we do. There's also a cemetery, and it's got graves of Revolutionary War soldiers and War 1812 soldiers. It's right up there. So here's the old graveyard, cemetery, and the church. Wilson Meeting House, Codorus State Park. Pretty cool piece of history. So there, Revolutionary War grave. And I think this is the War of 1812. Yeah, 1812 to 1814. So I have been in there before. You can go in. It's pretty cool. Just like a small little pulpit and maybe about 20 pews. But like I said, it's a really cool piece of history. And then the graveyard's interesting as well. And there's a marker up here which says 1841. Built 1841. So once again, one more look around it. Wilson Meeting House and the adjacent graveyard. So another cool feature about this trail is it's got a sledding hill. Codorus does have a pretty steep incline on this sledding hill. And when I was in high school, my cross-country team actually used this hill to train. We'd have to run up this thing like 6 or 7 times, run up it and down it. So I'm not going to be doing that today because that's no fun, but I'll show you once we get. So here's the sledding hill. Like I said, it's pretty steep. It's overlooking 216 or Blooming Grove Road. And I'm not gonna go much further because I don't feel like walking back up it. But yeah, this is sledding hill at Codorus State Park. So very close to sledding hill. It looks like they're gonna be putting a parking lot back here, give easier access to the sledding hill. Because right now it's just like a service road that's closed. But it looks like they're gonna allow cars to come back here. So not on the bike trails, but off of the bike trails, there is like some abandoned foundations or structures. I'll try to find it. Right here, these sticker bushes are some fieldstone foundations and some concrete slabs. And I believe there's more Yeah, at one time there was something up here. Here's a depression. The earth. More concrete slabs. Yeah, up here some more concrete slab. Like I said, at one time some type of structure was up here. There's a metal bar. Yeah, something was back here. Find the shed. Find the shed. Good dog. Lucy. Found another deer piece of the skeleton. Good dog, Lucy. Oh yeah. Odocoilus virginianus, white-tailed deer. Female. And there's some more concrete slabs back here and more depressions. So in my humble opinion, this is the best hikes or trail in Codorus. It's got views of the lake. It's got recreation. You can mountain bike. You can sled in the winter. And it's got really cool history with that Wilderson Meeting House or church, as well as the graveyard with War of 1812 and Revolutionary War soldiers. So if you're ever in southwestern York County, I highly recommend checking out the mountain biking trails off Bankard Road.